Hi, I'm Tomás Vallejo.
I'm Alejandro Zuluaga.
I'm Gabriel Becerra.
I'm Nicolás Noy.
And I'm Juan Esteban Jimenez, and we are going to talk about robotics.
So, let's start with the history of robotics. In 1495, Leonardo da Vinci drew plans for a humanoid robot that could move its arms, legs, and head. These were the first plans for a robot in the human history. Years later, in 1738, Jacques de Vaucanson built a mechanical dog that could flap its wings, drink water, and digest food. Much later, in 1926, the first electronic robot, the telebus, was invented by Westinghouse Electric Corporation. In 1942, the first true industrial robot, the Animate, was developed by George Devil and Joseph Engelberger. In 1959, the first programmable robot, the Stanford Arm, was developed at Stanford University. Later, in 1961, the robot I mentioned earlier, the Animate, was first used by General Motors in a factory. In 1986, the first walking robot, the Strider, was developed at MIT. A few years later, in 1997, the first robot was sent to explore another planet. The Sojourner was sent to Mars by the NASA. And until nowadays, where we have completely autonomous robots and advanced, powered by artificial intelligence.
So now we are going to talk about the advancements of robotics. To start with, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning have made it possible for robots to learn and adapt to new situations. Robots can now recognize and respond to human voice and gestures, navigate through complex environments, and even learn new tasks by observing humans. Collaborative robots. Cobots are robots designed to work alongside humans in a shared workspace. They are programmed to perform tasks that are too dangerous, repetitive, or difficult for humans. Cobots are equipped with sensors that allow them to detect and avoid collisions with humans, making them safe to use in a variety of applications. Autonomous robots. Autonomous robots are designed to operate without human intervention. They can navigate through complex environments and make decisions based on their surroundings and perform tasks independently. Autonomous robots are used in applications such as transportation, logistics, and agriculture. Soft robots. Soft robots are made of flexible materials that allow them to move and adapt to their environment. They are designed to mimic the movements and behaviors of living organisms, making them useful in applications such as medical devices and prosthetics. Finally, humanoid robots. Humanoid robots are robots designed to resemble humans in appearance and behavior. They are equipped with sensors and cameras that allow them to recognize and respond to human emotions and gestures. Humanoid robots are used in applications such as entertainment, education, and healthcare.
So, some positive effects of robotics include increased productivity, where robots can work continuously without the need for breaks, vacations, or overtime pay, resulting in an increased productivity and efficiency. Also, improved quality, which means that robots can perform some tasks with greater precision and accuracy than humans would. This results in an improved quality and consistency in manufacturing and other industries. Also, enhanced safety, so robots can perform dangerous tasks that are too dangerous for humans, reducing the risk of workplace accidents and injuries. Also, we have cost saving, so the use of robots in some occasions can reduce labor costs, which can be significant for some companies that rely heavily on manual labor. And finally, job creation. While some jobs may be displaced by automation and development of robots, they also can create new job opportunities in areas such as robot maintenance and programming. Now, some negative effects of robotics are job displacement. So, as I said, the use of robots can also lead to displacement of human workers in some industries, which results in unemployment and a shift in the job market. Also, we have economic inequality, so the benefits of robotics may not be distributed evenly, resulting in an economic inequality and social unrest. Also, we have dependency on technology, which means that Over reliance on technology can make us vulnerable to cyber attacks and other technological failures. And we have other ethical concerns surrounding the use of robotics, such as the possibility of robots being used for unethical purposes or causing harm to humans. And finally, we have environmental impact because the production and disposal of robots can have negative environmental impacts, such as contributing to electronic waste and pollution.